Hello friends, how are you? Today I would like to talk about some types of glass that can be used in real estate or in civil construction. Right. Or float glass or common glass, which in Brazil we find between 2 and 19 millimeters thick, is the most consumed both by end customers as well as by glaziers and the industry, which is the basis for other types of glass, such as tempered glass, for example. What is its advantage is the cost, because it is a cheap glass, combined with the fact that it can be cut and drilled very easily. Its main disadvantage that when it breaks, it produces sharp shards, and should be avoided in areas where accidents may occur. Tempered glass is glass that has undergone a heat treatment, also known as tempering. Then it improves the hardness and mechanical resistance. Its manufacturing process consists of heating the material. The cousin of crystal glass, common glass, temperatures can vary between 650 and 700 degrees, receiving immediately after a thermal shock caused by air jets, acquiring in this process resistance characteristics of at least 5 times. Has great resistance to heat up to 300 degrees Celsius, they ask. Resist as well to thermal shock, something that common glass cannot withstand, bending and torsion. Well, here we go to something very important. Tempered glass. It cannot be cut, it cannot be drilled. Nothing else can be done. Laminated glass is the set of 2 or more pieces of glass joined by a plastic film called PVB, or resin little used lately. The result is even more resistant glass, which generates accurate acoustics protecting objects and people from the harmful effects of UV rays, and promoting great security at the time of breakage, not allowing that people get hurt by shrapnel. That's why it is considered safety glass. Protect people and property from vandalism, attacks such as stones and other objects thrown at them, against them, since laminated glass can be laminated glass made of 2 common glasses or laminated glass with tempered glass, which further increases its resistance. Reflective or mirrored videos, which are not exactly a mirror, they look more like those mirrored sunglasses. Applied to common doors, they block the entry of heat into the internal environment, controlling the incidence of light. Additionally, they reduce visibility on the outside, also improving the visual aspect you have a building. Much more modern. A tip: when you go buy or make a quote, ask for clarification about the material, because according to the process, productive, they can be more or less resistant to abrasion as well as heat retention. In these details, which I said I can't go into detail about here because they are very technical. Well guys, as you can see, glass is not all the same. You can use either option. What I thought was important was to make them aware of this wide variety of viruses that exist. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. A hug to everyone.